While the world obsesses over NVIDIA and chip makers, one company is quietly minting billions behind the scenes: KLA Corp, the real AI cash machine of 2026. Today, we are decoding KLA's latest performance, from their massive $7 billion shareholder yield to their 58% market dominance and the global engine driving this growth. KLA just delivered a flawless beat and raise execution. Revenue hit a record $3.415 billion, up 11% year over year, while non-GAAP EPS surged 12% to $9.40.
The big headline is the aggressive shareholder alignment. We are looking at a new $7 billion share repurchase authorization and a 21% dividend hike to $9.20 per share. Looking at the Q3 scorecard, it was a beat across the board. Revenue, gross margin, and EPS all exceeded the midpoint guidance, while R&D spending increased to $670 million to fuel next-gen nodes. KLA is maintaining industry-leading profitability with a 62.2% non-GAAP gross margin. Even with acquisition charges, their adjusted operating margin sits at a super premium 42.6%.
The quality of these earnings is rock solid. Stock-based compensation is contained at just 2.5% of revenue, and the $1.2 billion net income is fully backed by $4.4 billion in operating cash flow over the last 12 months. The core engine remains semiconductor process control, accounting for 90% of revenue at $3.08 billion. Growth here is being fueled by the explosion in high-bandwidth memory and foundry logic demand. Check out these geographic growth ramps. While Taiwan and China remain the baseline, Korea saw a massive 80% surge due to memory investments, and North America grew 40% on the back of domestic ramps.
KLA is a free cash flow powerhouse, generating $622.3 million in a single quarter. They maintain fortress liquidity with nearly $5 billion in cash and are expanding inventory to support their 2026 build plans. This is the moat multiplier at work. Their 58% market share is 7 times larger than their nearest competitor. This dominance prevents pricing erosion and flows that $7 billion capital return directly to owners. The bull case is an AI inflection and visibility through 2027. On the bear side, ongoing U.S. export controls pose a risk to the China segment, which currently makes up 24% of revenue.
The trajectory for the end of the fiscal year looks strong. Management has raised guidance, targeting revenue up to $3.575 billion and EPS up to $9.87. The institutional consensus is clear. KLA has an impenetrable moat, structural AI leverage through HBM packaging, and a massive yield fueled by a fortress balance sheet. Now it's your turn. Is KLA the ultimate AI picks and shovels play? Or is the China geopolitical risk too high for your portfolio? Drop your verdict in the comments. If you found this KLA Corp earnings deep dive helpful, don't forget to like, save, and share this video. Follow and subscribe to ZinvestZ for more smart investing insights. Thanks for tuning in.